coming around. Then put it her cheeks, make sure like your husband was it can got her cheeks. But be clever to be like a looking after her husband. And we have to dancing for about honeybee. Honeybee is a strong thing, it's a little thing. If you make it honey here, every day you have to fly about 20-30 kilometers going looking some flower or water to bring it in that make it honey. Must be strong to be like a honeybee looking after her husband. And always her tongue must be sweet, not talking too much, like fighting all the time. That is not for women. Always have a sweet tongue, keep smiling all the time, and stay along with your husband. Then he said, my daughter, one of the day you can see your husband is angry with you. Don't get angry. Use nice words and smile. If you have mind, you can calm down. If you see he's angry, then you make him angry all the time. You have to fighting. That is not good. Otherwise, leave you behind, going and looking some other human. Don't do that. Have sweet tongue. Keep smiling all the time. And stay along with your husband. Then he says, this man, now I know. A strong man. I can give him my daughter because I know he can looking after my daughter. Even in the desert, like the dry season, you can kill more orange. Have some water in his stomach. Or too cold, you can use orange skin. Not a problem, you can